One of the most important factors in a fulfilling career is freedom. The freedom to pursue new ideas, to offer different perspectives, and to grow in your career are fundamental to working at Dorman. We call it our culture of contribution. Everyone's responsible for contributing to our success, and everyone has the ability to make an impact. That's why we don't call ourselves employees. We're all contributors.
We are guided by ideas, literally. That's the acronym for our corporate values. Ideation and innovation, delivering customer value, empowering our contributors, accountability for results, and striving for excellence.
These values are our foundation for growth, and we've grown into a global enterprise with a wide variety of career opportunities across many states and countries, and more expansion on the horizon. But we also still remember our roots as a family business. We're all in when it comes to making Dorman a warm, inclusive, flexible, and respectful place to work. That's why, if you're looking for a new opportunity to contribute your talents, you should check Dorman first.